38-year-old St. Andrew woman gone missing in St. Thomas. Cop found dead at home. Missing woman found murdered in St. Thomas. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 38-year-old Abigail Richards of Constant Spring Road, St. Andrew, has been missing since Monday, August 7. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that about 1 p.m., Richards was last seen at Maiden Lane in St. Thomas wearing a pink blouse and beige pants with a pink bag. She has not been heard from since then. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Abigail Richards is being asked to contact the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1421, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has been plunged into mourning following the death of a police constable on Wednesday. Reports are that the policeman, identified as Zachary Campbell, who was assigned to protective service, was found unresponsive at his home sometime after 7 p.m. He was transported to the Spanish Town Hospital by relatives where he was pronounced dead. News of the policeman's death has left his colleagues in shock. A woman who was reported missing on Sunday was found murdered in St. Thomas on Wednesday. She is 39-year-old Titsi Bani, a resident of Bulby, St. Andrew. Her body was found wrapped in a sheet in bushes in Grants Pen Heights, St. Thomas, about midday by family members who had formed a search party. Miss Bani was last seen alive on Sunday when she went to Yallas to conduct business. She was last seen entering a Toyota Probox motorcar in Yallas, which was destined for Kingston.